Hi everyone, it's Sandy and thank you all for joining me here on my YouTube channel. This is just a short video. I'm just going to show you some Christmas little treat gifts that I'm going to be gifting. I may have mentioned before in my previous video, I work in an aged care facility looking after 17 residents, and my job is to make sure their rooms are clean, also reminding them when their meals are ready, and just attending to their needs. I do love my job. It's a very hard job looking after aged care patients, but it's also a rewarding job, and they always put a smile on my face, and I also put a smile on their face each day that I come to work. So I wanted to lift their spirits up for Christmas and give them a little gift. They are adorable people. I love them so much. So there are 17 of them. I have 16 female residents and 1 male resident. I haven't gifted the male resident as yet. He's going to be getting a set of handkerchiefs. He loves his hankies, so I'm going to pack of 3 hankies for him. And for the 16 ladies, these are, I've made some really pretty glass pearl bracelets, and I'll show you the bracelet in a minute. But this is how I package their little gifts. This is one of my tutorials making a pocket card. It measures 4 inches by 4 inches. I've only embellished them quite simply. I didn't put a lot of work in embellishing them. I just kept them nice and simple for them. I've put their name in the front of each of their little pocket card, just using some of my stickers. And then on the inside, I just placed a little message embellishment, and this is just my message that I had printed out on my computer. And inside is the pocket with their little gift, which I've made these. I'll just show you these elastic glass pearl bracelets with a little rondelle bling on the center, just to give them a bit of a sparkle. And it's just a nice size. There's no clasp or anything, so they can simply just slide it on their hand, and then they can wear it whenever they go down to the dining area to eat, because they do still like to dress up. Even though they're not going anywhere out of the building, they do like to still dress up a little bit when they go to their dining room for their meals, or if they're going down to watch their midday movie. So they're really sweet people. So this is just how it looks like. And you know, some of them don't get family members visiting them. Some very rarely get visitors. So this is just a nice way to let them know that there is someone thinking of them as well. So these are the packaged goodies, and I'm also going to be gifting them these. I didn't make these shortbread cookies. These are store-bought, and I've just individually placed them in a self-seal clear bag and a doily at the back, and then they can have that for morning tea or afternoon tea, which they love. And when it's all done, I'm just going to place it in one of these little treat bags that I've made, and I'm going to do a complete treat bag for you in this video, so you can also see how you could whip up one of these really quickly without any fancy tools or anything. And we'll put the gifts inside these treat bags. So I've already made a whole heap of them. I just got to make one more, which I'm going to do in this video. So these are all of these treat bags, and I've made all of their pocket gifts, and that's how it's going to look on the inside. So it's really cute, and then they can reuse these treat bags if they want to, next time if they wanted to use these as well. So I'm just going to put these to the side, and we're going to make one more treat bag. I'll put the link down below for the tutorial for this little pocket card. It's very easy. So this one here is a 4x3. Now the one, I think the video that I had done was for a 3x3 flip book pocket card. I'm not sure. Let me just see if I have a piece here I can just quickly show you in case I can't find that video. Okay, I've got a piece here. So this it's 12 inches by 4 inches. If you want to make the same size as this one, and then we can make the same treat bag to fit this size. So if you want to make that one, you want to just cut your paper at 4 inches by 12 inches, and you want to just score it at 4 inches and 8 inches. So you get 3 panels, and the middle one here, if you wanted to, you could use your circle punch, and you're just going to punch a half circle just like I've got here, and you do that on your middle panel. And with this part here, you're going to, with your left panel here, we're going to bring that forward. So just decide which side, that's upside down, so I'll go this way. You want to decide which side you want your front cover, and then you're going to fold that over. And this part here on the right side, the right panel, you're going to just fold that back. So it's like an accordion fold. So you'll do that, and then you'll have that half circle punch here in the middle pocket. Just close that back over, bring that over to the right. You just want to place some glue to the left side edge and to the bottom, just up to that fold line, and then just bring that back and press it down, and then you will create your card and then your pocket on that side. So it's quite easy, and then you just embellish it and then add your goodies. So again, with these pocket cards, you don't have to send this off to a crafty friend and add some craft goodies. You could also place some jewelry in there, a gift card, some chocolates, tea bags. There's lots of other ways you could add other goodies other than craft goodies in here. So I've placed one of those. Alright, so we'll make the treat bag first. So I've got one here of one of the pocket cards. I've still got to place a message. I'll just quickly place that, and I think there was one more that needed one, but I'll have a look at that later. Just go. These are just printed out on my computer, just a simple message, and I'm just going to just quickly glue that on before I forget. So that goes there, and this is one of the other bracelets. I'm probably going to make a few of these and have them listed in my Etsy store next year. So keep your eye out for that. I think these are really, really beautiful. My daughter wanted one, so I made her one as well. So I'm going to place that in there, and that fits nicely. And now we'll just make another treat bag. And with the paper size you want to make the treat bag for this size, I cut mine at 9.5 inches by 6 inches. So you will get 2 pieces out of one piece of 12 by 12 paper. So what you want to do here is you want to cut on the 12-inch side, you want to cut it at 9.5 inches, and then you're going to rotate that and cut it at 6 inches, so you get 2 pieces. And with these flip books, you'll be able to get 3 of these, not flip books, sorry, pocket cards. You'll be able to get 3 pieces out of one piece of 12 by 12 paper. So you can get 3. You'll be able to make 3 of these like I have. So that's how I managed to make a few. So with your piece of paper, all you're going to do is you're going to bring that side over, and then bring the next side over and overlap it, and you want to just overlap it about 1/2 inch over and press those sides down. And then your bottom one, you also want to bring all of that up to about the same, about 1/2 inch. We'll open the whole piece of paper back out, and with your scissors you want to cut this at an angle like that, at that fold line, and the same on this side up to where they cross over. We'll turn that over, excuse me, and we're just going to cut that off on that side, and we'll repeat the same to this side and cut this side over. So you have a bottom flap like that. Grab your right side, apply some glue just to the edge of your paper on the right side, just like I have done there. Bring this over and press that down. We'll apply a little bit of glue to the bottom flap down here, and that will quickly give you your little treat bag. How easy was that? You don't need any fancy tools or scoreboard or anything, just some adhesive and your piece of paper, and then you'll be able to fit your 4x4 pocket card nicely inside, and some extra goodies if you want. I'm going to place the little shortbread biscuit in there, and that will be a nice little gift to give to all of my residents. And yeah, I just thought I'll just finish off these. I've just had one more treat bag to to make, and I wanted to do it in this video to share with you all. I do hope you enjoyed this a little fun gift, Christmas gift that I'll be gifting off to the residents, and I do hope I will see you in my next video. Bye.